Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
From 2000, the BJP had 1 cattle MLA, 2012 they had 7, and today we have 50. It is a matter of pride, and it is something that needs to be noted down. It is something that needs to go on record, and we, by joining this party, by being part of this group, we can make the difference. We can be there and make the change. They have all given me a standing ovation, where Goa has set an example where they have shown that minorities can be a part of the BJP, and the representation is important to the party.
Next Goa state will be for minority.
That is for the party to decide. But if there is a good number of representation, I'm sure that there could be a chance of it happening. Anything is possible today.
The elections are approaching. There are a lot of allegations they're trying to pinpoint. But Glenn Tickler's cat and cannot gajana. When the media asked me, my media friends are here today, electronic media, the print media. When they question me, I tell them straight, because there's एक मुनाफा एक फोर्ट मारी त्याला 2 match पडटा 99 match पडटा 99 फोर्ट पण 1% फोर्ट होता तो कोण तरी सांपडटा. So if you speak the truth and straight, no one can tackle you. But today I have issues, knuckle issues work at that, and they tend to implicate the MLA, local MLA. They try to see that whether he is involved, or they try to blame the government, or they try to blame the chief minister.
BJP is a medium for us as minorities to reach out to the party with our issues. Secondly is for the party to reach out to each minority with whatever they can help. And third is for us to help each other.
मायनॉरिटीच्या लोकांनी भितर वचून आमी ताचे सोदून आमी तुका कामां करून तुका हे घेवपाक तुका ते जाणो जावंक जाय. कित्याक आमचे यूथ पासून खूब भुरगे आज जॉबाक तुका कितें आशेतात, पूण म्हाका दिसता आल्डोनचो तुका हाचो मायनॉरिटीचो भुरगो खूब तुका बेकार आहा, आनी हांव मागता हे सरा लागीं की आमच्या भुरग्यांक तूं सदांच तूं हेल्पाक वतलें म्हणून.